Hello, my name is Adam.
And I'm Dom.
We're the Nature Bros. Today we're going to be showing you clips from the living world of nature battles. So, hope you enjoy them. Thank you.
Our first battle
will be
between
the mighty Megalodon and
the terrifying Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Hope you like it. The T-Rex has a great chance because it was the biggest carnivore ever known.
Megalodon means big tooth. Its teeth are 7 inches long.
T-Rex wouldn't have a chance against this thing. T-Rex's head would fit in this guy's mouth.
Nightmare we call Sharkzilla.
The longest worm in the world is 22 feet long.
Snails have thousands of tiny little teeth.
Snails that live in the sea are poisonous, but those on land are not.
Worm slime stops the worm from drying out. They even breathe through their slime.
For clever and still jolly for their neck.
Parakeets come from all over the world, even in the Himalayas. That's something. The normal temperature for a parakeet is 102 degrees.
Magpies are the most intelligent birds in the world.
They're quick, but only eat poo.
Bees have a super sting on their bum, and they also make honey.
Fly versus bee.
I am bee.
I'm Fly.
I collect nectar and pollen from flowers and bring it to my community for nourishment. I keep my young safe in a nursery until they mature and are ready to join the community.
Oh, well, I just dump my kids in a garbage can.
People are afraid of me because I've got a nifty weapon and I'm not afraid to use it.
Oh, people just hate me because I'm gross.
I spend the whole day doing chores for my community.
Well, I just fly around, you know. Yeah.
Flies don't have teeth, but a long tongue called a proboscis.
The honeybee is the only insect that makes food that humans eat. Stag beetles fight each other using their antlers.
Horses are bigger than beetles and can gallop hundreds of miles.
Hunger Games.
Stag beetles' antlers are actually its jaws.
I wanna win all day. I'm not team.
Horses have soft feet and need to wear shoes.
You should've learned how to play.
I'm Adam.
I'm Dom. We're the Nature Bros. Presenters.
Daniel, cameraman.
Sebastian, cameraman. Finley, cameraman. Okay. Hi, I'm Dylan, the producer.
Hi, I'm Ben, the director.
And we like to rule and boss people